Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So, unlike the intro of most videos where my face is completely bare and I'm talking about the makeup I'm going to put on, today I'm going to be taking off my makeup. This is actually makeup that I did for another video and I don't think it's going to be up yet. I think it'll be up in 2 weeks. Yeah, probably. I might be lying to you. Okay, I'm gonna put my hair up because this is gonna be a little messy. I'm actually gonna take my sweatshirt off. Oh, that's probably completely throwing off the white balance because of how pale I am. What's happening in this video is something I mentioned in a previous video. If you watched my Ulta haul, you might have seen this little guy. This is the Boscia Charcoal Jelly Ball Cleanser. I'm all prepared. I have a bowl of water, I have a washcloth, I have a towel for my face. Let's just open this guy up. I can't get it open. There we go. Okay, instructions. Are you there? To use, open box and remove plastic enclosed jelly ball and provided pick. Here's the pick. Peel off tape around plastic enclosed jelly ball. Using provided pick, puncture jelly ball in plastic encasement from seal covered hole at top of ball to break balloon. Okay, alright, there's a little hole right here. I have my prick thing. I'm just gonna poke it. Ooh. Did that work? I think that worked. Now what? Now what do I do? Remove plastic lid, discard. Now I think I just take it out. This is like heavily packaged. Just kind of peel off the latex encasement. Okay. Oh my god, that feels so... This is the most satisfying feeling thing. Oh my god. It's so jelly. It's like jelly. Ooh. Okay, I have a little bowl of water here. I'm just gonna submerge it. Okay, got it in water. Oh, it's kind of like foaming up a little bit. I'm just gonna go in, I guess. It smells really nice. It smells very like floral. I'm gonna try and like get some off with my hands and just over here massaging my face with the ball. No. I was interrupted. I'm trying to not like drip too horribly everywhere. This is so satisfying, just like on my face. I'm gonna take a little bit more just on my hands and try and like get this lipstick off. I really doubt it's gonna get my lipstick off. It's pretty budge proof, but we're gonna try. Let's just give her a rinse. Oh my god. Oh my god, it got my lipstick off. Sorry, that was a really dramatic reaction, but oh my god. Whoa, what? Okay. I expected this to work, but I didn't. Whoa, 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 whoa. That was just water on this washcloth, by the way. Oh my god, that was... It got my mascara off. My mascara never comes off my eyes properly. Oh, mostly. There it is. I mean, whatever didn't come off is just rubbing off immediately. Okay, I expected this to work, but I did not expect it to work this well. I really thought I was gonna have to use something else for my, it was like a dry down matte liquid lipstick. Oh my god. Okay, let me finish up the other half of the face. I wish you could feel this because it's like the most satisfying thing in the world. It feels like a jellyfish. Like, I've never felt a jellyfish, but this is what I imagine rubbing a jellyfish on your face would feel like. Oh my god. I want to take my makeup off with this every single day for the rest of my life. So here's the thing. Right now, what I use to take off my makeup is micellar water, however you say it, with a washcloth. And, hold on, I got something in my eye. I have to rub and tug at my face in order to get off all of the makeup that I take on there. And this is not only like light on your skin, but it feels incredible. Like, this feels so nice to rub on your face. Like, I want to do this all day. And it smells nice, and it doesn't like feel drying. My skin feels so nice. It's a tiny bit sticky, just a little, but to be fair, I'm using the water that's in the bowl that I put the cleanser ball in, which means there's some cleanser still in the water. So I'm sure if I wash my face with clean water completely, that stickiness would go away. I'm so impressed, like so impressed. My skin doesn't feel tight or dry, which I was a little worried about because this does have activated charcoal in it, which can be a little drying. Yeah, I'm so impressed with this. I am still not over the fact that it took off. That was like a budge-proof liquid lipstick, and it just... Yeah, so the Boscia Jelly Ball Cleanser is Minta approved. Also, I don't know if you can see it from that angle, probably not, but I can like see the light from the ring light shining through. I wonder if I can, like, it's a little bit see-through. It's so cool. Wow. I love this. I'm gonna use this every single day because I've been starting to get a little bit worried. I've been wearing makeup a little bit more often than I normally do, which means I have been scrubbing my skin with a washcloth and micellar water and then more cleanser and then all of this stuff more often. And that's not good for your skin. It's just not. Washcloths are rough and they're bad, and I've been really worried about it. And this works so well, and it's not irritating to your skin, and it's not exfoliating, and it's not going to damage your skin, and it feels so nice. It's so cool. And it smells lovely. And it works really well, and I'm rambling at this point because, I mean, I got nothing more to say. You saw it worked. I'm impressed. It worked really well. Yay. Alright, a successful review. Let me look up the price for you guys real quick. Boscia Charcoal Jelly Ball Cleanser price. It costs $20 at Ulta, which is where I got mine. Go watch my Ulta haul video. It'll be linked at the end of this video and in the description, and maybe in a little information card right here, or whatever you call that. Yeah, I 100% recommend this. It's good for your skin, it feels good, it smells nice, it works incredibly well, And it's a cool, like, innovative product. I can't think of anything else that's like this. If you have any other weird, crazy products that you want me to try, make sure to let me know in the comments below. I am definitely willing to do that. Stay tuned for the video where I do the makeup that I was wearing at the beginning of this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Thursday, so ring that notification bell so you get a notification every time I post a video. And thank you so much for watching. Bye! Now what do I do with this? I'm just gonna like stab someone's eye out.